That's the pink stuff, and we use it for cleaning pretty much everything around this house. And this is the pink stuff accessory pack. It says the Miracle Scrubber Kit includes electric scrubber with 4 cleaning brush heads and 4 AA batteries. Easily cleans hard to reach areas. Great for use in bathroom, kitchen, and laundry areas. Perfect for sinks and taps, bathroom tiles, and hard to reach areas. All right, well, let me show you what it can do. Four batteries. Oh, look at that. It's like a giant toothbrush. If I bought a second one, I could use this as an electric toothbrush for my dog. Now the heads come off really easily. You just got to twist it like that and it pops off. And then same going backwards. You just got to twist and pull off. And that's how the heads are changed. There are a couple spots in my bathroom that I have real trouble cleaning. So I'm looking forward to testing this out.
And how it works is this. You press it up for on, slide back down for off, and then if you just slightly touch it down, it gives you a burst. It's not a push button. Oh, apparently it is.
Now the included sponge that it comes with is normally okay, but I tell you, in these corners and around this grate, it's just really difficult. So I'm going to switch the head out, and then we're going to get in here a little bit. Actually, is that caulking? It is caulking. One thing I've learned is you do not put too much of this on here or else it will just spray all over the place. See what I mean? Even just a little bit on there, it sprays everywhere. Yeah, that corner is hard to get into. Oh yeah. And around the drain. And then I'll get this wet and give it a quick wipe. Yeah, it works really well though. I like the pink stuff. Accessory pack's not bad either. Definitely needed it. So that's the pink stuff. And when you're done, these can just be rinsed off in the sink to keep them nice and clean. Easy peasy. Really impressed with them. You won't be disappointed.